Hello Ravi, how are you? You are good? That's nice. How was your day? Was it good? Okay, that's nice. Yeah, I'm also fine. Yeah. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. How are you? Yeah, I'm also fine. Yeah. So, my name is Puneet Singh and I have experience of 3 years and I completed my masters in English. So, today we are learning, and before learning articles, first we understand what is the articles and why we are learning this topic, because it is a very important topic of grammar. And when we learn any kind of topics like literature and English lessons, so we have to understand what kind of articles we are using. Okay, so let's check what is the definition of articles. A and the are called articles. A and the are called articles. So first we understand these three types of articles where we use in a particular sentence. Okay, so a and is called indefinite and the is called definite article. In indefinite article, when we are not aware about particular things or particular noun, then we have to use an article. Do you understand, Ravi? That's nice. Yeah. Okay. So an is called indefinite when we are not aware in a particular noun or particular thing, then we have to use a or n. Okay. What we use? A or n. Next. So let's see example. This is a chair. So when we are not aware about this a particular kind of chair, then we have to use a article before chair. Okay, so chair is a noun, so we have to use a article. Okay, Ria sang a song. So here it is a song is a noun, and before noun we have to use a article. So here it is a, so we have to use a article. Okay, this is an umbrella. So here it is umbrella. What is umbrella? Is a noun. So before noun we have to use an article. Do you understand, Ravi? That's nice. Yeah. Okay. So in this example all are incorrect, because in this example noun is written without a article, without an article. So there is no article. Because of absence of article, this sentence is incorrect. Sita sang song. So song is a noun, or before noun there is a no article, so we have to incorrect this sentence. Okay. This is umbrella. So umbrella is a noun, and before noun we have to use an article. So because of the absence of article, this sentence is incorrect. Okay, do you understand? Now next, she is excellent. What I written here? She is excellent. So excellent is an adjective. So that's why this sentence is correct, because before adjective we don't have to use any kind of article. That's why this sentence is correct. She is an excellent. So here it is excellent is an adjective. Do you know what is adjective, Ravi? Okay, that's nice. So before adjective we don't have to use an article. That's why this sentence is incorrect. Many people use and immediately after saying excellent, but no article will be used in this sentence because there is no noun after the excellent. Would mean before adjective we don't have to use any kind of articles. We will use articles when a particular noun is written after excellent or after adjective. Okay, so now in this slide we will learn where is a and used. If the first sound pronunciation of the word before which a n is to be used is a vowel, then n will be used. If this sound is a consonant, then a will be used. Would mean If a noun is an consonant sound, so we have to use a. If a noun have vowel sound, then we have to use an article. So check the example and understand clearly. So what is vowels? First we learn what is vowels. So vowel is A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Okay. Without vowels, all are consonants like B, C, D, F. These are consonants and vowels A, E, I, O, U. Do you understand, Ravi? That's nice. Okay. So, in these examples, we have to see orange. So, orange is a vowel sound. Orange is a vowel sound. O, O for orange and orange. So, before orange, we have to use an article because orange is an vowel sound. Do you understand? A car. Car is a C is a consonant and car have consonant sound. So we have to use a article. Okay. An umbrella. This word is starting from U, and U is an vowel. U is a vowel. So before vowel sounds, we have to use an article. Do you understand, Ravi? That's nice. Okay. What is the first letter of the word is not important. What is important is the first sound of its pronunciation. Would mean it is not important that how how a word is starting. Like there is a word R, Hour, and H is a consonant. We all know that H is a consonant because it is not a vowel. So because we have to use a article, and in this word we are not using a article, we are using an article. Why? Because it's have vowel sound. What sound? Vowel sound. We we always pronounce this word R, not har. So because we all are pronounce this word R, we have to use an article. Okay. Now check another example. Honorable. So we always pronounce this word honorable, not honorable. So because of honorable, we have to use an articles because its words have vowel sound. In the next example, honest. We always pronounce this word honest, not honest. That's why we have to use an article before the honest. Okay. Yeah. So abbreviation. So what is abbreviation? Abbreviation means like short forms like MLA, MP, LLB, NGO, SDO, IAS. So let's understand MLA. When we pronounce MLA, it sounds like vowel sounds. M. So for M, we have to use an article. MP. It sounds like vowel. So because of vowel sounds, we have to use an article. LLB. L. So for L, we have to use an article. NGO. For N, we are pronouncing N. So because of vowel sound, we have to use an article. SDO. So because of SDO, we have to use an article. I is an vowel, and IAS vowel sound. So we have to use an article. So this is very easy. Rahul, do you understand? Okay, very good. Yeah. Now we learn the article. The is used before that noun which is definite or which has been discussed earlier. For this reason, the is called definite article. Definite article means when we are aware about the particular thing or noun, then we have to use the article. Like Taj Mahal. We are aware about the Taj Mahal, and Taj Mahal is a unique thing, so we have to use the article. Okay, so let's check the examples and make it clear. Like this is a sentence, like once upon a time there lived a king. The king was very kind. One day he met an old man. The old man was very poor. So, in this sentence, once upon a time there lived a king. So, what what is written here? A king. Why we are using a before the king? Because we are not aware about the king and we are not familiar about the king. In the next line, there is written the king. Now we are aware that why we are using here the, because king is familiar for me in the next sentence. Okay, now we are familiar with the king, so we have to use the article. Okay, the king was very kind. One day he met an old man. So what is written here? An old man. So in this sentence, old man is not introduced earlier, that's why we are using here an. Okay, and why we are using n? Because old is a vowel sound, that's why we are using n. Okay, in the next sentence, the old man was very poor. Now what we use here? The. So in the next line, the old, why we are using here the old? Because we are familiar about old man, that's why we are using the. Okay, it's mean this is definite article. Do you understand? Okay, that's nice. Now understand some example. The man in white shirt is my brother. So we are using here the man. The man. Man is a noun, and before noun we are using the article. Why we are using the article? Because in this sentence the man is wearing a white shirt, which are talking about a particular person who who is wearing a white shirt. So that's why we are using the article. The boy standing near the gate is my brother. In this sentence, before noun we are using the articles because we are talking about a particular boy. The boy standing near the gate. Near the gate, that we near the gate is my brother, that's why we are using the article. Okay, next. So uses of the, where we use the. So when we talk about some places like the Netherlands, the Ukraine, the Great Britain, before Netherlands, Ukraine and Britain we have to use the article. Mountain ranges, some mountain ranges like Himalayas, Aravallis, Andes, we have to use the article before the mountain ranges. Before the nationality, the English, the Dutch. So here it is, the English is describe a whole community. It's not a language. It's not a language like Dutch. It's a whole community, the Dutch, the English. So before nationality, we have to use the article. Rivers, the Ganga, the Kaveri, the Satluj. So before the rivers names, we have to use the article. And ocean also, before the ocean name, we have to use the article. Okay, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Seas, the Arabian Sea, the Caribbean Sea. Okay, in these are all the uses of the. Okay, some places like Netherlands, Ukraine, Britain, mountain ranges, nationality, rivers, ocean, seas. Understand? We have to learn these things. The is used before things which are unique. We always use those things which are unique. The world. World is unique, that's why we have to use before the world the. Universe. Universe also a unique thing, so we have to use the article. But article is not used before heaven. Heaven, hell, God, parliament, we don't have to use before this kind of noun the article. Okay, the world is in danger. The world is in danger. So world is a noun and it's a unique, so we have to use the article. Okay, so thank you, Ravi. I hope did you understand this topic very clearly, and we will meet soon in the next session. Thank you.